In a world where luxury meets raw American power, one name stands above the rest. This is not just an SUV. This is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade-V. From the very first glance, the Escalade-V commands attention. Finished in a deep, bold onyx black metallic, its presence is impossible to ignore. The massive blacked-out grille dominates the front, crowned by the illuminated Cadillac crest, a symbol of American luxury, redefined for a new era. As the vertical LED headlights ignite, you don't just see the road ahead, you feel authority. This is a vehicle built for leaders, visionaries, and those who refuse to blend in. Every line of the Escalade-V is sculpted with intention. The long wheelbase stretches with confidence, while muscular body panels reflect strength and sophistication. Large forged black wheels and performance tires sit wide and aggressive, reminding you that this luxury SUV has serious muscle beneath the surface. Step closer and the details reveal themselves. Chrome delete accents, V-Series badging, quad exhaust tips hinting at the power waiting to be unleashed. This isn't European luxury trying to be subtle. This is American luxury, unapologetically bold. Open the door and the experience changes instantly. Inside, the cabin wraps you in jet black leather with white contrast stitching, crafted to perfection. The moment you step in, ambient lighting softly glows across the interior, creating an atmosphere that feels both futuristic and inviting. The massive curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, blending performance data, navigation, and entertainment into one seamless digital experience. This is technology designed to serve the driver, not distract them. Grip the leather-wrapped steering wheel and you feel it. Precision, control, confidence. The Escalade-V doesn't just transport you, it empowers you. Slide into the rear seats and the story continues. Executive-level comfort, rear entertainment screens, spacious legroom that rivals first-class air travel. This is where business deals are discussed, families travel in comfort, and long drives feel effortless. But make no mistake, luxury is only half the story. Under the hood lives the heart of a beast. A 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engineered to deliver breathtaking power with unmistakable American character. The moment the engine comes alive, you hear it, a deep, controlled growl that reminds you this is the most powerful Escalade ever built. Press the accelerator, and the Escalade-V moves with authority. Despite its size, it launches forward with surprising aggression. Performance suspension, advanced braking systems, and V-Series tuning ensure that power is always under control. This is not just speed, this is confidence at every mile. On the highway, the Escalade-V glides effortlessly. In the city, it turns heads at every stoplight. Whether parked in a luxury showroom or rolling through downtown America, its presence speaks before you do. This SUV doesn't chase trends, it defines them. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade-V is built for those who demand more power, more luxury, more presence. It represents the evolution of American engineering, blending muscle car DNA with modern refinement. This is not just transportation, this is a statement. A statement that says you've arrived, a statement that says you lead, a statement that says you accept nothing but the best. The future of American luxury performance is here, and its name is the Cadillac Escalade-V.